Did you know push-ups can offer numerous health benefits? It's true. Push-ups, a simple yet powerful exercise, are as versatile as they are convenient. They don't require fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a little bit of space and your own body weight. The beauty of push-ups lies in their ability to engage multiple muscles simultaneously. When you lower your body to the floor and push yourself back up, you're not just working your arms. You're also engaging your chest, shoulders, and core. This makes push-ups a compound exercise that uses more than one muscle group at a time. But it's not just about the muscles. Push-ups also help improve cardiovascular health. As multiple muscles demand oxygen while you perform the exercise, your heart rate increases, enhancing your cardiovascular fitness. And there's more. Push-ups help improve your posture by strengthening the muscles that support your spine, keeping your back straight and preventing lower back injuries. And the best part? You can easily modify push-ups to match your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner starting with wall push-ups or an advanced exerciser challenging yourself with more repetitions or different hand positions, there's a push-up variation for everyone. Indeed, push-ups are a total body workout in disguise. Getting the form right is crucial to reap the maximum benefits from push-ups. Let's break down the correct way to do push-ups, step by step. First, the starting position. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the ground, fingers spread out for better stability. Extend your legs behind you, balancing on the balls of your feet. Your body should form a straight line from your head down to your heels. This is your plank position, the starting point of every push-up. Next, the descending movement. Lower your body toward the ground by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your body. Your chest should almost touch the floor, but not quite. Maintain the straight line of your body. Don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Now the ascending movement. Push your body upwards, extending your elbows and returning to the initial plank position. Be sure to maintain that body line. Don't let your hips rise before your chest. Common mistakes to avoid include flaring out your elbows, letting your hips sag or rise up and not going low enough. These errors can reduce the effectiveness of your push-ups and even lead to injuries, so it's important to get them right. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can start with modified versions like wall push-ups or knee push-ups. In wall push-ups, you stand and push off a wall instead of the floor. For knee push-ups, you kneel and use your knees as the pivot point instead of your feet. As your strength improves, you can progress to standard push-ups. Remember, quality always trumps quantity when it comes to push-ups. So, focus on doing each push-up correctly, rather than trying to do as many as you can. Your body will thank you for it. Push-ups aren't just about building muscles, they pack a punch of health benefits too. You see, when you lower and lift your body, you're not just working out your arms and chest. You're actually engaging a variety of muscles, from your shoulders and back to your core and legs. This full-body workout can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. How? Well, as you engage multiple muscles, your heart has to work harder to pump blood, thereby strengthening your heart and reducing your risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. Push-ups also increase muscle strength and endurance. This means you'll be able to do more with less fatigue, whether that's carrying groceries, picking up your kids, or simply going about your day. And don't forget about your bones. Weight-bearing exercises like push-ups can enhance bone health. As you age, your bone density naturally decreases. Regular push-ups can help combat this, reducing your risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Lastly, let's talk about mental health. Exercise, including push-ups, releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that boost your mood. Plus, the focus required to maintain proper form can be a great form of mindfulness, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Now, as with any exercise, it's important to listen to your body. Don't push yourself too far too fast. Start with modified versions if you need to, and gradually work your way up as your strength improves. And of course, if you have any concerns or injuries, don't hesitate to consult a doctor. So, ready to power up your health with push-ups? Start today and make push-ups a part of your daily fitness routine. To familiarize with 15 tips on how to reduce belly fat, click the link on the top right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching.